vinegar here, adding here detergent powder. Observe here China Rose solution. Hello my dear students, I am N. Krishna. Today we shall learn about indicators. In my previous class, I have told you about litmus paper test. We have discussed that an acid turns blue litmus red and a base turns red litmus blue. The litmus paper used here is nothing but an indicator. Then what is an indicator? It may comes to your mind, and what is the use of it? So the substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic are known as indicators. Okay. Indicators change their color when they are added to acidic or a basic solution and indicate whether it is an acidic or basic solution. So this is the use of indicator in order to identify whether a substance is acidic or basic. Or I will tell you about the neutral solution. If by doing litmus test a solution will not change its color, so red litmus paper will remain red and blue will remain blue, then such type of solution is called neutral solution. So when there will be no change of color by the indicator, so the solution which do not change the color by litmus test is a neutral solution. That means it is neither acidic nor basic solution. Okay. So now we shall discuss about the type of indicators. Types of indicators. So there are generally three types of indicators. One is your natural indicators, Another is your synthetic indicators. And another is your olfactory indicators. So here we shall discuss about the natural indicators, and in the next class we shall discuss about the synthetic and olfactory indicator. So now here we shall discuss about natural indicators. The natural indicators are the indicators which are available in our nature. These are the natural indicators. So a few natural indicators are your litmus is a natural indicator. Another is your turmeric powder. Turmeric is your also a natural indicator. Another is your China rose solution is also another natural indicator. So here we shall see by taking these natural indicator how we can identify acidic and basic solution. First is your litmus. I have discussed about the test of litmus. So litmus is extracted from lichen. It is a natural indicator extracted from lichens, which are nothing but the seaweeds. So it is extracted from seaweeds, and its color, its natural color, the color of litmus is purple in color. It has purple color in pure water or distilled water. Okay, we have discussed about the litmus test. When litmus is added to acidic solution, this natural color, the purple color or light pink color it turns deep red color. And when it is added to, so this light pink color or this purple color when it will be added to acidic solution, it will become red. And when this purple color, when it will be added to basic solution, it will be blue. So indicator litmus may be available in liquid form or as well as more abundantly as litmus paper, red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. Just to have a recapitulation, I am saying here, when we are doing litmus test, so acidic solution, in acidic solution, what happens? When we'll dip the litmus paper in acidic solution, then here the blue litmus will turn red. Blue litmus, when we'll add here, suppose this is acidic solution, when here we shall add here litmus paper, suppose we are adding here blue litmus paper, when it will be dipped inside the acidic solution, then it will become red like this. It will be red like this. Okay. Similarly, when we are taking lemon water or vinegar solution, whatever may be the acidic solution, these are acidic solution. So basic solution. Basic solution, the soda water or your detergent or soap solution, detergent solution, washing powder solution. So when we'll take it in a tumbler, the soap solution, suppose it's soap solution, and when we'll dip here the red litmus paper inside the deep soap solution, then it will become how? The color will be like this. It will be blue. That means here the red litmus will change to blue. Okay. Now we shall discuss about the another natural indicator, that is your turmeric powder, which is readily available in your home. So we shall do it and observe how we can use turmeric as our natural indicator. So for that I am doing a simpler experiment here. Okay, here I am taking 2 tumbler, and to 1 tumbler I am adding here the turmeric powder here. Okay, I am adding turmeric powder to 2 tumblers here. Then adding some water to both the tumbler. You can prepare the turmeric pepper also by just dipping the pepper and dry it in sun. You will get the turmeric pepper, yellow strip of turmeric pepper. You can take thin strip of pepper and just dip it and dry it in sun. That will act as turmeric indicator. Or simply I am taking here the solution here. Now here you see I am taking available in my home vinegar, or you may take the lemon juice also. So I am adding to one of the tumbler a little amount of vinegar here. Okay, and to other, here you see I have taken detergent powder. To other I am adding here detergent powder. Now observe what will happen. Just here I am stirring it, and here I am stirring. So observe here, to the first tumbler I have added here vinegar. That means I added acid solution here, so the color remain unchanged. And here it becomes the basic solution. Since I have added here detergent powder, here you see the color, it will become red. So what we may conclude here? Okay, I am keeping here for your reference. What we may conclude here? Turmeric pepper or a turmeric taste in acidic solution there is no change. When we are adding to acidic solution, turmeric to the acidic solution, unchanged. The color remain unchanged. And in basic solution, the color change to red. Here you may see. Okay. So next indicator is your China rose solution. China rose. This is your China rose flower. It is plentifully available everywhere throughout the India. So what you have to do, you take some petals. This is some petals like this of China rose. Okay, and just put some water in a tumbler and heat it for some times, and then what will happen, the color of these petals will decolorize and you will get a solution like this. Okay, now you see I have taken here 2 tumblers like this. I will make one acidic solution, one basic solution. So here you see I am taking again vinegar. To another tumbler, I am adding some detergent powder here. Adding water. Okay. Now here you see I have prepared the China rose solution here. You see the color, just light pink. Okay, like this. To the acidic solution, I am putting here 3 spoons of your China rose solution, and to the basic solution also I am putting 2 spoons of China rose solution. Now you see, my dear students, the color of the solution will become red or dark pink or magenta color, and here in basic solution the color will be green. So this is your acidic solution, this is your basic solution, and this is your China rose solution. Here light pink. In acidic solution it is actually dark pink or deep pink, magenta color, and in basic solution while you are adding the indicator it is become green. So we may conclude here, in acidic solution what will the color? The color will be dark pink. When we are adding the indicator, the color will be, it will change to dark pink. In basic solution, the color will change to green. Okay, the students, now I'll give you an activity that you may perform in your home. Okay, here you see I am giving you an activity table here. So you may take different type of solution that are available in your home. So test of solution, effect on litmus paper. You may take the litmus paper test here also if you have litmus paper available in you, and effect on turmeric paper, effect on China rose solution, and remarks column. So when we will take test solution as lemon juice, then here the blue litmus turns red, effect on turmeric paper, color remains unchanged, and effect on China rose solution, it will be dark pink like this, So our remarks is lemon juice is an acidic solution. Milk of magnesia, the litmus test will be red litmus turns blue, and in effect on turmeric paper it will be red. Effect on China rose it will be green like this. So our remarks is milk of magnesia is a basic solution. Similarly, lime water, you take some lime powder and put some water here, and after stirring it, just decant the clean water. That will be your lime water. That will nothing but the calcium hydroxide. Now, by doing litmus test, red litmus turns blue. In turmeric test, it will be red. In China rose test, it will be green. So our remarks is basic solution. Similarly, common salt solution. The available common salt solution, if you will test it, litmus test, red will remain red, blue will remain blue. In turmeric paper test also, the color will remain unchanged. In China rose test also, the color will remain unchanged. So our remarks is the common salt solution is a neutral solution. Now, vinegar, by taking vinegar water, blue litmus turns red, turmeric test remain unchanged, and China rose test dark pink. So our remarks is acidic solution. Soap solution, here red litmus paper will change blue. In turmeric paper test it will be red, and in China rose test it will be green. So our remarks is basic solution. Soap solution is a basic solution. Similarly, soda water. Your soda water, red litmus will turn blue. Turmeric test, it will be red. In China rose test, it will be green. So our remarks is it is a basic solution. Sugar solution, the litmus test will be unchanged. Red will be red, blue will be blue. Turmeric paper test, it will be also unchanged. And China rose solution test, the color will remain unchanged. Just it will remain like this. The original color will remain intact. So our inference is that, or our remarks is that, sugar solution is a neutral solution. So my dear student, take more and more types of solution available in your home and perform the above activity like this, and you find out the remarks from it, or find out the conclusion from it, or inference from it, which is acidic solution or which is basic solution. Now we shall recapitulate again. We shall see the summary here. What we have read here, the substances which are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic are known as indicators. Indicators change their color when they are added to an acidic or basic solution and indicate whether it is an acid or base. Type of indicators, there are three types of indicators: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators. So here in this class we have discussed about the natural indicators only. In the next class we shall discuss about synthetic indicator and olfactory indicators. So natural indicators means the indicators which are found in nature. So one is your litmus paper. It is an extract of lichen, a seaweed. In acidic solution, blue litmus paper turns red. In basic solution, red litmus paper turns blue. The solution which do not change the color of red or blue litmus paper is known as a neutral solution. It is neither acidic nor basic in nature. For example, one of the your neutral solution is a distilled water is a neutral solution, and in the activity table we have seen your common salt solution and sugar solution also neutral solution. Then the second natural indicator we have discussed here, turmeric. It is also a natural indicator. In acidic solution, We found here turmeric pepper remain unchanged. In basic solution, turmeric pepper turned red. In China rose solution, it is also natural indicator. In acidic solution, China rose solution dark pink or magenta color, and in basic solution, China rose solution becomes green. So this is only about the natural indicators. In the next class, we shall discuss about the synthetic indicators and olfactory indicators. So dear student, to get more and more such type of video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We shall proceed one by one and we shall discuss all the ABC of chemistry. Thank you all.